get cold.
Move your horse. Move your horse.
Angel's wishbone right there. For a split wishbone.
Move your horse. Move your horse. Your horse. Your horse. Your horse. Your Move your horse. Move your horse. Move your horse.
Take the little one. Where? Oh. See him. Big old doe. Slowing down. Ouch. Two batteries. The GoPro died on me, so that's why right now I'm on the phone. This little GoPro, it recorded for a while, but then it died pretty quick. I mean, it's not a GoPro, it's one of those cheapy 4Ks, but we're working on getting a Hero 8 or maybe even a Hero 7. It depends on what the budget's looking like. But yeah, what I was trying to say before this was a shout out to the guys at JRA. That bicycle shop is where I got the Santa Cruz from, if you guys were wondering. They'll do pretty much any part. They'll work on any bike. They do everything hand built and hand made if you want to build a bike. Santa Cruz is great. I've got I think it's a 2020 Chameleon, and it's a green color. It looks blue to me, but they say it's green. That thing is like a rocket. Still getting used to the bike. This is like the third time on the trail with the bike. I only ride like 2 or 3 times a week. I'm gonna try to slowly increase that, and then Monday I work out with my brother at his house and a couple of the other guys. This Saturday should be fun, the 25th. We're gonna have a fixie ride to Rob Siebert's. I appreciate you guys being here with me. I kind of wanted to bring you guys along for the whole loop, and I think next time I'll probably start the GoPro when we're rolling instead of when we're stopped. But I wanted you guys to see bits and pieces of what I see when we stop and right before we get in, start riding again. Typically we stop for like 5 minutes per stop. But yeah, we'll do more of these. Hopefully you guys like this video. I know it's kind of shaky, kind of crappy. Working on getting a gimbal and a Hero 8, like I said. But I'm gonna make more videos. Hopefully the fixie ride should be better because it's all road. It's not in the trail, in the woods. So it should be better quality, but still we're gonna work on increasing quality as we go. I'm using the selfie camera on my phone. It was like, what, like 58 when I got here, and now it's like 55, but it's great. All I have is a hoodie, pretty thin hoodie. It's nothing too crazy. And everybody laughed because I had shorts on. I've got my bib under this, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, we're still healing from Sunday. Split my wishbone. Basically fell on the bridge and did a split. Still not 100%, but we're getting there. Super out of shape, but I'm not complaining. I'd rather be out here doing this. I love it. And I'm just glad I could bring you guys with me. Don't know if you guys can see the bike. No, you can't really see it. We're in the Jeep. And I'm gonna go home. I'm tired. It's 8:15. I gotta go home, eat some fruit. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.